Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to create a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Let's have a look now. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams application. In the left sidebar, click on the Calendar tab. Click on the New Meeting button. This will open a new meeting window. In the meeting window, add participants by typing their names or email addresses here. Specify the date and time for your meeting. Use the calendar icon to choose the date and the clock icon to set the time. Add a subject to your meeting to give participants an overview of what to expect. In the description field, include an agenda or any additional information. Once everything is set up, click on the Send button to create the meeting. Participants will receive an email notification. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.